Hi, for this video, let's talk about credit card interest. So Stephen has credit card debt that he is unable to pay off in full. His average monthly balance that he can't pay off is $1,400. The credit card company has an annual percentage rate of 27%, which it bills at a rate of 2.25% per month. How much is Stephen spending on credit card interest each month? So that's what we're looking at. Here is how much is he spending every single month. So the first thing is that we need to know that the 2.25% is the amount that he's being charged every month. So remember, when you're working with percents, you do have to take the 2.25 and divide it by 100 in order to convert it to a decimal to do the math. So the interest rate as a decimal is 0.0225. What we are then going to do is take the $1,400 and multiply it by 0.0225, and you would just simply plug this into your calculator as 1,400 times 0.0225, and in interest, he is being charged $31.50 every month. Okay. This is where credit cards can be dangerous, is if you cannot pay them off every month, this interest compounds on itself and it keeps adding on. So every month your amount will go up and then you continue to pay this. So it's best to pay credit cards off in full if you can. If you think about over a year, if you take the $31.50 that he's spending every single month times 12, that ends up giving you $378 per year spent just on interest alone. So the best practice with credit cards is to always pay off your entire bill every single month, and then they work for you. If you can't pay it off every month, or you get it up too high, then paying the interest rate really does add up. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you would like me to cover, please let me know that as well.